Do you want to know?
Hello guys! For today's recipe, gagawa po ako ng pork tocino. Ito po ang ating mga ingredients. Paprika, pineapple juice, annatto powder, ground black pepper, white sugar, salt, liquid seasoning, vinegar, and garlic powder. At ito po ang ating pork. So, in a bowl, let's mix together our liquid ingredients. This one, our pineapple juice, and here's our vinegar and the liquid seasoning. Just mix it so that it will combine together. Next, let's add our dried ingredients. First, salt and sugar. Let's dissolve our salt and sugar first before we add our other ingredients. Now, since our sugar and salt are already dissolved, so let's put our ground black pepper, put our sugar, and paprika, and annatto powder. Dissolve it again. Just mix it. Just keep on mixing. So now our dry ingredients are already dissolved. So now let's put our pork here. Here is our pork. So as you can see, I slice it already like this one. Just add it to our seasoning mixtures. Everything. So then let's mix it like this so that it will permeate the seasoning into the meat. So, very easy to make pork tocino. You just slice all the meats thinly and then mix together with the other ingredients. So that's it. Then we have to sit it for an hour, and then we can pack it together. Ito po pwedeng pangtinda or pang-ulam. Masarap na pang-ulam sa breakfast. It can be our lunch or dinner, so that we will not buy our tocino anymore. If you will buy tocino from the market or from the store, it will cost too much. So kung gagawa kayo ng pangsarili, mas mura. Yun nga lang, syempre, sabihin nyo, matrabaho. Pero kung nagtitipid, or the situation nowadays, almost everybody ay walang trabaho, gagawa na lang tayo ng tocino o kung ano man pwede natin gawin para sa ating everyday food, or everything everyday we need every day. So okay na po siya. Okay na po ang ating tocino. Just let's sit it for an hour inside our ice box or fridge. Okay. So, ito na po ang ating tocino. Binalot ko po siya sa ziplock. So, sa isang ziplock po, isang lutuan na. Pwede siyang pangbaon sa trabaho, sa school. Pwede din siyang pangbenta, pang pagkain sa breakfast, sa lunch, or sa dinner. Stock po natin sa ating ref. Pwede sa chiller, pwede sa freezer.